Namaste. In this video tutorial, we will talk about subtraction of integers. We are taking some examples to clear this concept. In this video, we will first show you how to represent subtraction of integers on number line or simple, that is without number line. For this, I am drawing a number line or a line to show my subtraction of integers. My first example is I have to subtract 4 from 9. As we know, in integers, we have positive integers as well as negative integers. And this is my 0, and on the right side there will be positive integer. This is the 9, which is my starting point, and I have to subtract 4. 4 is my target point, which is again on positive side. This is the 4. I have to move from starting point toward 4. This is my final target value. So how many steps I will take to go up to 4? These are my results. In this case, there are 5 steps. I will walk from 9 to 4. So the 5 is my result. In the rule of number line, when we subtract, by default I move toward the negatives on the left side. So the answer would be positive, that is the plus 5. For the next example, I am going to draw a line. I am choosing the appropriate color. So in this case, 6 is my starting point. In between of these lines, this is the 0 and this is the 6. This is my starting point, and my target point is -4. It means I have to subtract -4 from 6. -4 is on the left side of the 0. This is suppose -4 is at this point. This is my target point and 6 is my starting point. So I will walk from 6 to -4 up to 0. It will be 6 steps. From 0 to -4 there are 4 steps. Total is 6 plus 4, that is the 10 steps. As we are moving toward the left side, that is a by default direction of subtraction, so the answer would be 10. If I solve it without number line, there are some other rules. As we know, in this case there are 2 signs are in contiguous. We have to solve these 2 signs first. According to these rules, minus minus, this is the multiplied, that is equivalent to plus. So it is equivalent to 6 plus 4, that is the 10. So in my next example, my starting point is -5 and I have to subtract 8 from -5. -5 is on the left side of the 0. This is -5. Eight is on the right side of the 0. which is positive. It means I have to walk from -5 to 8 toward right side. So up to 0 it is 5 steps, and then 0 to 8 is 8 steps. Total are 13 steps. As we are moving toward the right side, the answer would be minus 13. By using expression, see, this is -5 -8. The answer would be -13. This expression is equivalent to -5 plus -8. As we know, in addition of subtraction, in addition of two integers, if both numbers are of same sign, then we add the values, that is 5 plus 8, that is the 13, and the sign of the biggest number. In this case, sign of 8 is used, which is minus. So my answer would be -13. In my next example, my starting point is -7. This is the 0, and -7 is on the left side of the 0, and I have to reach at -5. It means I have to move from -7 to -5. I have to walk 2 steps toward the right side. So my answer would be -2. If we solve this expression, now we know this is the -7. There are two signs continuous are used. So first solve it according to this rule. Minus minus is plus. This is the plus and 5. If in case of addition of two integers, if two integers are of different sign, then subtract the value and sign of biggest number is used. In this case, sign of 7 is used. That is, the answer is -2. So the conclusion would be, in case of subtraction, by default we move toward the left side. The answer would be plus. If we move toward the right side, the answer would be negative. In case of expression, if two operators, two symbols or two signs are used continuously, first solve it according to this rule. Minus minus plus. In this case, I forget to show you 9 minus 4 as an expression, so I'm going to do it. This is equivalent to 9 plus minus 4. This is equivalent to, if I use the solve these operators, minus plus minus, I will get 9 minus 4, which is my original expression. I will get 9 minus 4, that is the 5. Or in other words, if two integers are of different sign, then we should subtract the values and the sign of the biggest number is used. In this case, sign of 9 is used.